Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Poco F7 so the gesture is reactive. Open the Google app, update it if needed, and grant camera and storage permissions. This allows Lens to capture and analyze images. Next, go into Google App Settings, tap General, and turn on Circle to search. Once done, make sure the overlay permission is allowed. This lets the circular selector appear over other apps. Now you're ready to draw a circle and run visual searches instantly. With Circle to Search active, open any app or image and draw a circle around the item you want to search. Press and hold, then trace the shape. The Lens overlay will capture that region. You can pinch to zoom or drag the circle for finer framing. Once Lens analyzes the area, tap actions like Search, Translate, Text, or Shopping to get results. Because it focuses only on your selected area, results are faster and more relevant. Repeat the gesture for additional parts of the screen. Finish by tapping result cards to save images, copy text to clipboard, or open product pages. This turns a quick gesture into usable content. If results are noisy, recircle a tighter area or use related chips to refine the query. If Circle to Search stops responding, check the Google app version, confirm permissions, clear the app cache, and restart your phone. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, toggle the feature off and on in Settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.